bread first, huh? Crispy toast. Oh. Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Mmm. Oh. 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 All right. I'll take this bite. We'll come back to talk about the pan. Oh. Oh. Mmm. Good Tuesday. Yep. I used it once and it's already discolored. Not too bad. Already discolored. It's not as nice and shiny. It's not bad though. Wow. This pan is possibly 90 years old. We're talking the 1930s, my friends. Very thin. Boy, that copper is thin, I'm just saying. Look at the lining. Okay, first of all, I'm searching for recipes, I think in Good Housekeeping, 1940. I come across this Sun Bright cleanser ad, and at the bottom of it, you could get a special deal. You could get a REVERE ware with rolled edges and chrome lining for 50 cents. Normally, I think $1.50. The problem was when you cooked potatoes, if you believe the interweb, the chrome lining was known to peel up, and apparently they just killed that right away. But like I said, this Sun Bright ad is from 1940. They're like giving them away. When I saw that ad, that made me think, oh, let's do some searching for some wood handle skillets. And I couldn't believe this. When I found this, I couldn't believe the copper. Sure, it was all oxidized, but I was looking at it and it just looked so good. And the interior was like intact. Most of these that you see on eBay are destroyed. The tin plating is missing or worn off. Now there's a couple, like there's a little area here where I think it's kind of corroded. There's one spot. There's like one spot here. Otherwise, the inside is beautiful. It's not that light. It is pretty light. But you know what? It could be worse. But it is thin. And a lot of the ones you see on eBay also are dented. Now, lots of dents because all you need to do is bang this a little bit and forget about it. Isn't it pretty though? I have my feelings about REVERE ware, but I love vintage. And this, my friends, is vintage. And it's beautiful vintage. Boy, you can actually see the swirling. You know? Hey, thanks for joining me this Tuesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.